Okay, hi guys. I'm going to do a little bit of maths. This is a maths video because next week we're going to be looking at subtracting numbers, and we're going to be, hopefully, we're going to be looking at subtracting numbers up to 4-digit numbers, so taking thousands away from thousands. But the whole idea of this video is just to give you a bit of a pre-teach as to what we're going to be doing, but I'm going to be doing it with tens and ones to begin with, just so you get to the hang of subtracting and what it is that we're going to be doing. So on my whiteboard here, I have a problem, and you can see here it's 27 take away 13, and here I've put it into pictorial format. If you've got counters, we could use counters here as well. So we got 2 lots of 10, which make up the 20, and then we got 7 ones that make up our 7. And then down here, we've got 1 lot of 10, and then we've got our 3 ones to make 13. Now here, we are not exchanging, okay, because the top number, all the digits are larger than the number on the bottom, so there's no need to exchange. We can just simply take away. And when we take away numbers like this, we always start with the ones, and then we move over to the tens column. Okay, so in pictorial format here, I have to get my pen. Here we are. So here we've got, start with the ones. Okay, over here we've got 7, and we're taking away 3 down here. Okay, so if we were to take this 3 away, we go 1, 2, 3. How many are left? The answer is 4. So we could draw 1, 2, 3, 4 down there. Now we go over to the tens. We've got a 20, and we're taking away a 10. So let's take away a 10 from our 20. And how many left have we got up here? Just 1 lot of 10. So we put that 1 lot of 10 down there. And now our new answer here, we've got 1 lot of 10, and we've got 4 ones. So 27 take away 13 is 14. Over here, this is the written method of how we do it. So we could do 7 take away 3, which gives us 4. And then we can do 20 take away 10, because this is in the tens column. But you can look at it and say 2 take away 1, but it's actually 20 take away 10. 20 take away 10 gives you 10. 1 lot of 10, 14. Okay. Okay, and just by magic, I've changed the problem. So here we have another problem, and I want you guys to try this one out. Okay, so I've got it in pictorial format on this side for you, and you can use counters if you've got that kind of stuff at home, or matchsticks or whatever, to help you if you want to. And over here is the written method. So it's 45 take away 12. I'm going to leave that there for a couple of seconds, so that you can have a look at it and give it a go yourself. So remember, start with the ones and take away what you need to, and then go on to the tens column. And again, it's by magic, it's all been done on my board. So hopefully you had something that looks like this. So we start with the ones column. We had to take away our 2, so we did 1, 1, 2. We took it off and we were left with 3. So I put 3 counters at the bottom. And then I went over to the tens column. We needed to take away 1. So I took 1 off here, and now I was left with 1, 2, 3 lots of 10. So I was left with 30 there. So I've got 3 there and 3 there. And over here, we can see we did 5 take away 2, which gave us 3. 40 take away 10, or 4 take away 1, gives you another 30, or 3. So that's how you do it. So well done if you got the answer of 33. We're now going to look at a question where we would have to exchange. Okay, so here we have a question where we need to exchange. And the reason why we need to exchange is because you cannot take a larger number away from a smaller number. And what we've got here, we've got 24 take away 17, But when we start to take away the ones, we've got 4 and we're taking away 7. If we did 4 take away 7, we'd go into negative numbers, okay? And our sum would then be incorrect. So in this case, we need to exchange. And the way we do this is in our first number 24 here, we've got 2 lots of 10. Now, we can exchange that. We can say to ourselves, why don't we take 1 lot of 10 and exchange it into ones? There are 10 ones that make up 1 10. So if we were to exchange and take one of our 10s and exchange it into our ones, we now can add on 10 here because there are 10 ones in every 10. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That 10 we've now exchanged into 10 ones. If we were doing this as a written method over here, we've exchanged 10, so that now becomes a 10, and we've moved the other 10 over to here. So now it reads as 14 take away 7. And now we can do the sum. You look in the picture, we've got 14 dots here and 7 here. If we were now, we can take off our 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we're left with 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We now go to our tens column. We need to take away a 10 from our 10 here. Take away 1. How many 10s have we got left? There are none. Okay, so our final answer of 24 take away 17 will give us 7 and 0. So our answer is just 7. Okay, so hopefully you understand the exchanging there. Because the 4, we couldn't do 4 take away 7. We've taken a 10 from the 20 and exchanged it into 10 ones. So now it became 14 take away 7, which would leave us with a positive number. Okay, and that's what we need to do in the event that we need to exchange. So I'm going to give you another problem to do on your own and see how you get on. Okay, so here's your problem that I want you to try and work out. Okay, it's 56 take away 49. Can you see where you need to exchange? Can you do the exchange? And then can you work out the answer? I'm not going to give you the answer for this one. I'm going to write this question down so I've got it in my notebook. And to make sure that some of you, well, that you've been watching this video, you need to come to me and tell me the answer for this question. So I'm not going to give you the answer for this one. You need to come and tell me what the answer is. And in that way, I know you've seen the video and you've done the work. Good luck. And remember, if you have any questions about subtraction and about exchanging, please come and see me or any other Year 4 teacher, and we'll be more than happy to go through this with you again. But this is what we're doing in maths next week. We are going to be looking at subtraction and we are focusing on exchanging. So good luck. Any questions, please don't hesitate to come to see us. Good luck. Bye-bye. I'll keep that up so you can pause it.